Today we will learn how to create pulling thread text animation in After Effects. First of all, take the pen tool and keep its fill as none and stroke as 3 to 4 pixels only. I have kept 9 pixels here to show you clearly. Now create your text or any design in composition. I have written CS here. Now fix its points. Now go to the timeline and open the drop-down menu of Shape, and next to Contents there is Add with a play button option. Click on it and select Trim Paths option twice. Place the playhead on the first frame and now turn on the toggle animation of End in the first path and make the value 0. Now move the playhead forward 2 seconds and set the value to 100. Move the playhead to 3 seconds and open the second trim path. Now turn on the toggle animation of Start and set the value to 0. Move the playhead to 5 seconds and set the value to 100. And set the work area to 5 seconds. And that's it.
That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.